Ndumiriri-ini ya Kanju ino ya manathi irutite mukana na igakinyiriria ati kothi ciothe ciegimaine na mathomo ma unathi no nginyagia ikorwo igikuranwo na ikahitukio ni Kanju ino. Mukana uyu urutitwo thutha wa Kanju ino gukurana kuri na imwe cia thukuru iragathiriria kothi ici ona thengia wa gukorwo itahitukitio. Uria wari president kiama-ini kia manathi Alfred Obego ni oritie thibitari kugia na uigiririki na guthurimaga ukinyaniru wigie ria marehokerwo arwaru itemi-ini ria gutigirira arwaru ni mamukira motungata makinyaniru kuma kuri manathi makinyaniirie ikiro.
We need to define clearly their role and at what level can they give clinical service to the patients or clients that come in within the hospital facility.
Yes.
And when it comes to employment, they also need to be employed under very specific terms and know their specific roles. And the hospital management needs also to understand their specific roles.
Obego hamwe noguo niendekithitie makinya ma kiwatho matacukirio aria maragarara watho wigie urigitani itemi-ini ria guthaitira arwaru aria kaingi matakoragwo na utauku wigie gukinyanira gwa ikiro cia aria maramatangikira thibitari-ini.
Layman who goes to the hospital or the hospital does not know who is a healthcare assistant or who is a professional nurse or who is a support staff or who is a doctor, because most of them also put on the same uniform like a lab coat. So it's upon the hospital to create a framework whereby not all duties or not all services are assigned to people who are not skilled to perform the same service.
Mwandiki munene ngwataniro-ini ya manathi Seth Panyako nake nioritie Kanju ya manathi guthuthuria na gukurana thibitari hamwe na thukuru iria iraheana mathomo ma kothi itahitukitio ni Kanju ino na oho makinyukirio makinya ma kiwatho.
The council knows the law and it has the legal instruments to use. It cannot be complaining in the media and stating that some training institutions are training bogus program in the name of training nurses. So it is not enough for the Nursing Council of Kenya to go to the media and issue statement. They must act, and the only action they can take is to go and ensure that this institution is closed down and those who are operate these institutions are arrested and face the full force of the law.
Panyako ningi nioritie aciari hamwe na arutwo guthuthuragia makiria kothi mbere ya kwambiriria mathomo ma unathi itemi-ini ria kumateithiriria gutaukwo kothi itakinyaniire.
Be the watch of the council to ensure that those who are training and those who are being trained meet the standards, because if we start producing people who are not properly qualified, tomorrow myself will be sick. And if I'm managed by a person who's not properly qualified, I might end up losing my life or getting a permanent injury. So it's generally it's a responsibility of all of us, a collective responsibility. Even the media, if you see where training is happening and you are suspecting, your work is to highlight. Then we as a professional, we come and pick up and say, hey, this institution was shown in this media offering this program. Is this program licensed? Is it a proper program? So that by doing this, it becomes a collective responsibility of all Kenyans to protect themselves.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.